What if you could turn small investments into millions, just like Warren Buffett? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's possible with the right strategies. Warren Buffett, one of the world's most successful investors, has built his fortune by following a few key principles. In this video, we're going to break down Buffett's approach to investing, showing you how to make your money work for you. Whether you're just starting or looking to refine your investment strategy, these tips are simple, practical, and proven to build wealth over time. Now let's explore how you can use Buffett's wisdom to grow your investments and secure your financial future. Start early and leverage compound interest. Let's start with one of Warren Buffett's most powerful pieces of advice. Start early and take advantage of compound interest. Imagine planting a tiny seed. At first, it seems like nothing much is happening. But with time, that seed grows into a big, strong tree. The same thing happens with your money. The earlier you start investing, even if it's just a small amount, the more time your money has to grow. Warren Buffett began his investment journey at the young age of 11, and that early start played a huge role in building his fortune. It's all about letting your money work for you over time. By putting your money into investments and letting it sit, it starts earning returns, which then earn even more returns. This snowball effect, known as compound interest, can turn small investments into a significant sum if you're patient enough to let it grow. So the sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow into something substantial. This simple but powerful concept is one of the keys to financial success. Invest in what you understand. One of Warren Buffett's golden rules is to invest in what you understand. Think about it this way. If you're buying something important, like a car or a house, you wouldn't just pick the first one you see. You'd want to know everything about it, right? The same logic applies to investing. Buffett believes that you should only put your money into businesses and industries that you truly get. When you understand how a business works, it's much easier to spot when something is a good deal or when it's not. By sticking to what you know, you're in a better position to make smart choices. You can weigh the risks and rewards more accurately because you're familiar with how the industry operates. It also means you're less likely to be swayed by hype or trends that you don't fully grasp. When you focus on sectors or companies you're comfortable with, you might also find hidden gems, opportunities that others miss simply because they don't know the business as well as you do. This strategy not only helps you avoid unnecessary risks, but also puts you in a strong position to build wealth steadily over time. Focus on quality companies. When it comes to investing, Warren Buffett advises focusing on quality over quick gains. Instead of chasing after the latest trends or trying to make fast money, Buffett suggests putting your money into high-quality companies that have strong foundations. Think of it like choosing a solid, well-built house over a flashy but flimsy one. You want to invest in businesses that have a lasting competitive edge, something that sets them apart from the rest and keeps them ahead of the competition. These are companies with strong management teams, a proven track record of steady earnings growth, and products or services that people rely on. By sticking to these kinds of investments, you're more likely to see stable, long-term returns. It's not about getting rich overnight, but about steadily growing your wealth over time. High-quality companies are less likely to be shaken by market ups and downs, making them a safer bet in the long run. Buffett's approach is all about patience and consistency, investing in businesses that you can count on to keep performing well year after year. Be patient and think long-term. Warren Buffett is known for his patience, and he firmly believes that good things come to those who wait, especially when it comes to investing. Instead of trying to make a quick buck, Buffett's strategy is all about thinking long-term. He understands that real wealth is built over years, even decades. When you hold on to your investments for the long haul, you give them the time they need to grow and reach their full potential. This approach also helps you avoid getting caught up in the short-term ups and downs of the market. Sure, prices may rise and fall in the short term, but Buffett believes that if you've invested in solid companies, their value will grow over time. By focusing on the long term, you're less likely to panic during market downturns and more likely to reap the benefits when the market recovers. Patience is key, and it's one of the reasons Buffett has been so successful. He's not looking for the fast track, he's in it for the long game. And that's what ultimately leads to lasting financial success. Reinvest your earnings. Warren Buffett has a simple yet powerful strategy. Reinvest your earnings. Instead of spending the money you make from your investments, Buffett advises putting those profits back into your portfolio. Think of it like planting seeds in a garden. If you keep planting more seeds, your garden will grow even bigger. The same thing happens with your investments when you reinvest your dividends and profits. By reinvesting, you're allowing your money to start working for you all over again. This creates a compounding effect where your returns start generating their own returns. Over time, this can significantly accelerate the growth of your wealth. It's not just about making money. It's about letting that money grow and multiply. Buffett's approach is all about building a strong financial foundation, and reinvesting is a key part of that. By consistently reinvesting, you're setting yourself up for substantial financial growth over the long term. It's a disciplined strategy that requires patience, but the rewards can be immense as your investments continue to expand. Avoid debt and leverage. Warren Buffett has always been cautious about using debt to finance investments. His advice is simple: avoid debt and leverage when building your portfolio. It might seem tempting to borrow money to invest, especially when the market is doing well, but Buffett knows that this can be a risky move. High leverage can amplify your gains, but it can also magnify your losses, making it much harder to recover if things don't go as planned. Instead of taking on debt, Buffett recommends focusing on growing your investments with your own money. This approach might take longer, but it's a much safer bet in the long run. By avoiding debt, you're protecting yourself from the added stress and financial risk that comes with borrowing. When the market takes a downturn, you won't have to worry about making loan payments or dealing with interest. You can weather the storm with confidence, knowing that your investments are built on a solid foundation. Buffett's conservative approach ensures that you can continue to grow your wealth steadily without the added burden of debt hanging over your head. Stay disciplined and stick to your plan. Warren Buffett knows that staying disciplined is one of the most important keys to successful investing. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of market trends or to feel anxious when things aren't going your way. But Buffett emphasizes the importance of sticking to your investment plan, no matter what. This means having a clear strategy that's based on your financial goals and how much risk you're comfortable with. Once you have that plan in place, it's crucial to stay consistent. Don't let emotions drive your decisions. The market will always have its ups and downs, but if you stick to your plan, you're more likely to achieve long-term success. It's all about being patient and not making rash choices just because of a market fluctuation. Buffett's approach is about playing the long game and trusting in the process. By staying disciplined, you set yourself up for steady growth over time, rather than chasing quick gains that might not last. Remember, consistency and discipline are what separate successful investors from the rest. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint, and Warren Buffett's strategies are a testament to that. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join us at The Money Blueprint for more insights on smart investing. Don't forget to like the video and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next one.